Welcome to another tutorial. Thank you for always staying tuned. Today we are going to be making a panel gown as shown in the picture. So this I'm going to be using this mini size pattern, and it has a shoulder dart and a waist dart. So I'm just going to connect the two darts together as the waist dart and the shoulder dart. After connecting it, I'm going to find the measurement of my waist dart. So for this mini size pattern, it's 2 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter. So I'm going to repeat that same measurement at the base of the gown. I'll connect the lines together to create the panel. So successfully divided the panel into three patterns like that, or three panels. So to shaping the base of the gown, you can leave it like this if you want a straight gown, but if you want shaping, you remove or reduce 2 inches from your knee length. Connect that new point to your hip line like so. So I'm just highlighting the lines so that it will be visible. So when you get to the bust position or bust points, you can make that place a little bit curved, just slightly curved, not too much. So cut through the lines to create your panels. And please do remember, when you are transferring your patterns to your fabric, add your seam allowances. Repeat the same technique to the back of the pattern, and your princess panel gown is ready. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you for always staying tuned, and continue to stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.